Yo soy Dan Corio y bienvenido a mi canal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button. In this video, we are unboxing the smart LED light bulb and the smart Wi-Fi socket. Both devices are compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon's Alexa. Use voice command or remote control using the apps of your choice. Once connected to your home Wi-Fi, any devices connected to your smart Wi-Fi socket can be turned on and off remotely and follow voice command. You can change the color of the smart light bulb, adjust brightness, and schedule an energy saving plan for all devices. The smart bulb can also synchronize with the music and create a perfect ambience. It's time for the magic trick. It's time to unbox. Okay, Google. Good morning.
Hello, Mr. McOrio. The time is 1:24 a.m. It's 28 and clear. Tuesday, there'll be scattered thunderstorms with a high of 35 and a low of 27. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 33. Have a great day. Here's the latest news.
Hey Google, turn off the fan.
Alright, turning off the electric fan.
Hey Google, turn the bed light white.
Sure, changing the bed light to white.
Hey Google, turn the bed light red.
Got it, changing the bed light to red.
Turn the bed light purple.
Got it, changing the bed light to purple.
Hey Google, turn on the bed light 50%.
Ako na.
Gosh.
Hey Google, turn on the water heater.
Okay, turning the water heater on.
Hey Google, turn on the electric fan.
Sure, turning the electric fan on.
Hey Google, turn off the electric fan.
Alright, turning off the electric fan.
Hey Google, turn on the charger.
Got it, turning the bike charger on.
Hey Google, turn off the bike charger.
Got it, turning the bike charger off.
Smart, efficient, and power saving. These are highly recommended. Time for the magic reveal. In this trick, I am using a magnetic ring. My version of the ring through finger trick came about when I accidentally dropped the magnet ring and it broke.
She stole it from her.
I came up with an idea to fix it with the tape on one end only so it opens and closes when I want it. And this will allow me to perform the ring through finger trick. I hope you enjoyed watching the video.